Hi there. I'm going to unbox this dual battery charger and battery for Hero 8 Black. The MRP written over it is 4700. I bought it at 4000 rupees. It is actually cute, huh? So small. I did not expect this to be so small. It's handy and will be a very good travel partner in your bag. So this is the battery. Yeah, this goes like this. That's the battery. And what else we have here? Okay, this shows that how the batteries get inside the charger. This is the USB-C, and this appears to be the light signal. Green says for fully charged, yellow means it is charging. Great, simple and sweet. So this is it. I quite like it. GoPro badging over there, and then USB-C port. Down there is this rubber padding, which is good to hold. I must mention that this texture is premium. Looks good. It's like rubber but premium, and the battery goes like this. Yes, so it holds over there, and you have to just pull it up, just like the way we do it on our GoPros. So let's go ahead and check it. I need to open this. I actually bought this new Sony charger. It is 5V 3A max, and it is a dual USB port. I am getting 1 year warranty. I bought it around for 950, I guess. And this goes in like this, and you have to just gently press it. I guess it should work now. Where is the light? This is it. Okay. Yes, so it shows orange here. That means it is charging. There you go. It's a sweet, nice little cute charger for your GoPro. So in the package we are getting one extra battery, which is quite a deal for the money, because you'll get battery at 1700 rupees extra, and by paying 2300 rupees more, you are actually getting a good charger for both your batteries. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. It's useful. Thank you.